I watched a video recently from Simon Sinek. I'm a huge Simon Sinek fan, so if you don't know who that is, please go look him up. But he talks about middle managers, and I love this concept that he's sharing to share and bring it into the dental office because it is 100% the issue that we have in the dental office. So, middle managers or people who get into management positions, whether you're an office manager or a dental assistant lead or a hygiene lead, ultimately you're the middle manager because you're not the owner and you're not the team member. You are in the middle, right? And most of the time, that's a great thing when you first get hired and or promoted into that role because you've been, the doctor or the team, the leader saw something in you and you got promoted. But most of the time, the reason you were promoted is because you were really good at the job you do. So if your job's hygiene, if your job's assistant, if your job's scheduler, you did so good in that role that we now want to bring you into a lead position. The issue around that is that you were trained in this specific skill that you know how to do, but now you're in a leadership role. How much training have you done or has your office given you when it comes to leadership? Because, see, leadership is a very different skill than dental assisting. Leadership is a very different skill than scheduler. Leadership, and many times our office managers and dentists haven't really been trained in leadership. So recognizing that we do need people to be in the leadership roles, we need team leads, we need office managers, but we also need to make sure that you and these people are trained to be able to lead the team. Because, see, as a leader, your job is to support the team to do their day-to-day tasks, their day-to-day jobs, and to help grow your practice and have your practice run efficiently and do well. So if you're not there, if you're looking to be a leader, if you've been brought into a leadership position and you're a little lost, a little overwhelmed, it's okay, because that's kind of the nature of moving into a higher level role. But go outside of dental, go online, find TED Talks, take a leadership class, read a book, because leadership is a completely different skill set than what you've been trained to do in the past. And yes, we need to bring your technical skill set to the table because you know how to do that well. But you can also work to enhance and grow your own abilities as a leader, because a leader isn't somebody that should just be telling people what to do because I'm in the role. A leadership is somebody who gets people to follow them, right? Because you're not going to lead people if they're not following you. And those are soft skills that you definitely want to lean into and get training in.